welcome to another video. So today I have this Ozark Trail tent. So this is one of those auto expanding tents. It says instant setup and takedown, only takes 30 seconds. So we'll see how true that is. I'm guessing, getting it flat like that might take a little longer and then 30 seconds to get it up. So I'm gonna do that with you. It's a 10 feet by 9 feet and it can sleep up to 6. We're not gonna try that, but it says it gets high as 64 inches. That is really tall. That's like over 5 feet tall. And again, it says 30-second setup. It's a 3-season tent, so it should be pretty insulated. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside. One thing to note is this one does have a electric port access on each side, so you can run a cable out to if you have electric connection on your campsite without actually affecting the weather and getting the cold air in or the hot air in or anything like that. All right, so it comes in this box. All right, so we have the box open here. Okay, we're gonna put the carrying back to the side here. All right, so it comes strapped with these, but I'm just gonna untie these. We're gonna hold on to these straps because when you're putting it away, they may come useful. Okay, I don't see any instructions right off the bat. Okay, so there's this baggie of steaks and things like that. It came tied like this. I don't know if this was a return or that's how they designed it. Maybe that's how they designed it, I'm not sure. Okay, there's some warning, 10th floor repair kit. So if you do have a tear or something, there's this tape that you can put it on there to repair it. There's a 6-month limited warranty. Okay, on the bag here, there's instructions on how to put it up. So essentially it says, spread out the bottom and then kind of just put it and pull the middle to put it up. It also gives you instructions on how to take it down. So this side has instructions to put it up. Tells you what parts to get ready. You connect the steel poles and kind of prop it up. All right, let's do it together. So on here, they're giving you this window net thingy, and you have this carrying bag with the stakes. I'm gonna open it up here. I'm obviously not out in the out in natures. I'm in the carpeted floor here. I'm not gonna drive these stakes down into my carpet, but I'm just gonna show you these and leave them to the side. This thing which the stakes are covered in, this is like a gear loft. So on the inside of the tent, you'll hook this on the inside to put some stuff on top. I'm gonna put that to the side. As you can see, it's just me, one person, and yet I was able to easily just fold it out. Once you fold it out, make it even bigger. I'm gonna have to give myself some more space. As you can see, it's a very large tent. As you straighten this out, the poles self-snap into place. So right here, they're snapping into place by themselves. So there was a cardboard in the middle here protecting that, so I just took that out. Essentially what you're gonna do is lift the bottom part here up, and then you're gonna extend the pole until it clicks. There you go. So as you pull this up, there's a click right there. And so you can do one at a time until you have all four of these up. And as you can see, the tent is essentially up now. But you're not done yet. You need to make sure you stake it down from all four corners. Let's go to the other side and show you how it looks inside. So here you have some access for air to vent through. And of course, this is another spot where you're gonna stake it down, right? You're gonna make it taut and stake it down. Now, coming from the other side, this is where the entry to the tent is. So as you can see, there's a netted area for the air to give you some ventilation. Same thing here, there's an entrance mat to like take your shoes out and stuff like that without having to go to the inside of your tent. When you stake it down, you want to make sure that you're pulling it towards you and making it tight so that the floor flattens out. So obviously I haven't done that yet, so you can see how it's wrinkled inside. If you do it properly, the floor should be tapped. So you're gonna pull all four sides until it's tight. So there's a zipper here that's protected by the elements here, so it's waterproof. Let's go inside and have a look. So I'm 5'5", 5'6", and I can stand here comfortably. But you see here, there's hooks for that gear loft that I had told you. So you can put that here, you can put some stuff in there to kind of have it out of the way. Once you're inside, let's go ahead and close this tent flap. When you have the tent flap closed, you can open this inner zipper to give you some ventilation. There's ventilation from up top here as well. There's nets on the inside here to give you some more storage space. It's wide enough, like I said, 9 feet by 10 feet earlier. It's 9 feet by 10 feet. That means you should have plenty of space for at least 4 people to sleep if you've got the twin or like sleeping bags. They say that up to 6 people can sleep in here. So I think if you've got kids, that's fine. On the corner here, you can see the electric port access. So you can run a cable to this Velcro. And so you won't have bugs coming through or anything like that. It's Velcroed. So you just put the cable through, close the Velcro on top, and you should have plenty of space to get the cable in without having big enough opening for bugs or water or anything like that to get in. Other straps here that you can use to stake down. So as you can see, there's the plastic material here, so you can use, put your stake through this string and then stake it down so the tent is nice and taut. So these are the things that should be clicking in when you pull your pole up, and you can hear the click. When you're putting it down, you just press this and then go on all 4 sides and you can let it through. So we'll put it down together as well. Another thing to note is that there's enough space here to even put 2 cots in there and still be able to walk around. So that's the use case for us, is where we can have 2 cots in there, still have plenty of space for our stuff and be able to walk around. So this gives you a lot of space. All right, so putting it back together, if you cover the joints up with these, you can leave them covered, or you can kind of move it out of the way and then cover them back up later. These here are going to protect your skin from pinching and things like that. So let me just cover them up here. All right, so to take it down, here's what you would do. So you would essentially click on the chrome part here until it clicks, and then you let it through. So you don't want to put it down all the way because you're going to have to unclip it from all 4 sides. So you're gonna let it through. Make sure you don't put your thumb in too much because you might pinch it. I'm gonna slowly just unhook like all 4 sides. And once you have that, then you can kind of let it down slowly. So essentially, just do it a little at a time on all 4 sides. The reason you'll take your time doing it and do it slowly is that you don't want to pinch yourself and you don't want to break anything. So once you have this, just like when we started, essentially the reverse, you're going to flip these back on themselves. And get all the air out so you once you have it in, you're going to lift it from all four corners. The way I'm doing it, of course, is just demonstration purposes only that I'm doing it alone. Typically, you'll have help. And so once you have it flipped over, you can put it on its side. Squeeze until you have most of the air gone. When you squeeze, you want to do it gently. Don't put all your weight on it because you don't want to break any of the mechanism. As you can see, with every squeeze, I'm able to get it a little smaller. Okay, and then we have the strap that we saved from before. Essentially, you can wrap it up again. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.